Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Haden microwave. Now, I have the toaster, so let's see how it looks together, and let's go ahead and unbox it. I really got this because my wife likes the style, and this looks cool. Alright, whoop. Look at that. Now this is a heavy microwave, which is good because it feels high quality and premium. Whoa, look how good that looks. That's nice. Oh man. Get some good, nice open and close action next to the toaster. Both of those just look absolutely phenomenal together. I mean, look at these two. Man, it doesn't even do it justice how good it looks. And then it always has these very textile, just, oh man.
Vintage.
Yeah, vintagey. Got your tray right here. We'll just go ahead and open this up. Think this is gonna be vintage?
I don't know. I think this will be glass. That's all I've ever seen.
I don't think it's glass, is it?
I think so.
Have it right here. Set that down. That right there. On there. There you have it, guys.